Changing your primary email on Descript is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log in. Access your Descript account by entering your current email and password on the Descript website or app. Step 2. Go to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled email preferences or email settings. Click on this to proceed to the email management section. Step 4. Update your email. In the email preferences section, you will see your current primary email. Enter your new email address in the designated field and ensure it is typed correctly. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new email, look for a confirmation button or link. Click it and check your new email inbox for a confirmation message from Descript. Follow the instructions in that email to finalize the change. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on Descript will be updated. Make sure to check your new email for any further instructions or verification needed.